The 2016 Ambush 1448 is the ultimate hunting and fishing boat. With its short length and narrow width, it allows you to get to those hard-to-reach places easy and fast. The Ambush 1448 is the best of both worlds for your everyday outdoorsman. Also new for 2016 is the Elite A Performance Transom design. Available on any model, this design allows your transom to be inset on the hull for less setback and maximum performance on the water. And check out these great new accessories for 2016. The removable live well with aeration, minnow bucket, and wash hose, available on any model. And the new removable high deck, available on low deck models, that allows you to gear up for fishing or hunting season with ease. Our quick latch and pin system makes it easy to install and remove both new features. And we now offer a recessed switch panel, dual gun tray, and 2-foot, 4-foot, and 6-foot bow rails. Whatever your needs may be, Ambush Boats by Legend Craft has you covered. Find us today at a retailer near you.